Do you ever get this error when uploading your designs to Redbubble? I'll show you how to fix it. Hello! I was painting a bunch of parrots during the Christmas holidays, and I'll demonstrate this Redbubble issue and my process of making new designs for my print-on-demand shops with an umbrella cockatoo painting. After sketching, watercolor painting, tape peeling, scanning it as a 600 dpi PNG image, I edit the scan in the free image editor GIMP. I'm adjusting the levels to create some contrast, shadows and highlights, increasing the saturation, increasing sharpness, and clone stamping away any noticeable dust particles from the scanner or hair falling off from the paintbrush. I'll be using just a parrot on a transparent background, so I'll do some cutting and use the fuzzy select tool to select continuous areas of the white background and delete them with Ctrl X. Adding a black layer underneath helps me to see any leftover pixels I still need to remove. So now we're ready to upload the parrot with a transparent background as a PNG file to Redbubble. And this is what we get. The red error message saying, "What format is this file? We can't identify this image." I used to get this every once in a while, but now it happens to me almost every time. I'll show you how to fix it or do a workaround in a second, but if you have this or any other upload problems with Redbubble and it's taking you way too long, I want to suggest another print-on-demand site to you. I found Teepublic to be the quickest POD site to upload to. This is literally how easy it is. I usually don't have to change anything besides choose the colors for the t-shirts and maybe take off the background color from the stickers and magnets. There's a link below to start your Teepublic shop. Now for the fix. What I found to work every single time is opening the PNG file in another free image editor that can handle images with a transparent background. So just your regular Paint won't work, but I'm using Paint 3D, which also comes with Windows for free. You can't do as much with it as with GIMP, but it's good enough for this. I just opened the PNG file in Paint 3D and save it as a new PNG file and upload that to Redbubble. Sometimes it does decrease the file size because it can't handle files quite as big as GIMP, but it's still big enough to upload to Redbubble, so it's fine. I'll just show you that now the upload does indeed work, but this is a bit of an annoying workaround to remember to do every time. So is there anything you could do in GIMP without having to use the second image editor? The issue seems to have something to do with the PNG export settings and background color in GIMP. There was one tip in my comments to change the settings when you export the image as PNG. The Save Background Color option is checked by default, so you can try unchecking this and see if that works. Sometimes it helps, sometimes it doesn't. Like in this case, it actually didn't work. I also added a white outline to the parrot so it shows up on a darker background colors. I also added a white outline to the parrot so it shows up on darker colors too, without the grey beak and whisk blending into the background. For another tip with selling your art online, check out this video. See you there!